Welcome back to the Honest Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about vehicles of 2026, the all-new luxury motorhome that's redefining road travel. This isn't just a home on wheels, it's a five-star suite designed to move. From its ultra-modern exterior to its mind-blowing tech and comfort features, this motorhome is built for those who want to explore without compromising luxury. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the body looks like something straight out of a sci-fi film. Sleek, aerodynamic lines with an integrated panoramic windshield give it a spaceship-like profile. The LED lighting system wraps around the frame, giving it a bold yet elegant road presence, especially at night. The retractable awning and automatic leveling system make setting up camp feel like a high-tech ritual. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an interior that rivals high-end condos. Ambient lighting, real wood finishes, and custom leather upholstery wrap every surface. The living space is open concept, thanks to dual slide-outs that expand at the push of a button. A 65-inch OLED smart TV rises from a hidden cabinet, paired with a surround sound system that makes movie nights truly immersive. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with an induction cooktop, convection oven, a full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine. Quartz countertops and under-cabinet lighting bring elegance and functionality together. Opposite the kitchen is a dining area that transforms into a workstation with high-speed satellite internet and wireless charging built right into the tabletop. Moving to the rear, the master bedroom is pure comfort. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, climate control, blackout shades, and another smart TV ensures rest on the road isn't just possible, it's luxurious. There's even built-in noise insulation to block out the world when you need peace. And yes, the bathroom is worth a special mention. It's surprisingly spacious, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, touchscreen mirror, and an automatic toilet with a bidet. Everything here feels custom and upscale. Under the hood, the motorhome is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, giving you both power and efficiency. On a full charge and tank, you're looking at over 800 miles of range. Solar panels on the roof contribute to the power system, feeding an advanced battery pack that runs all the onboard electronics without breaking a sweat. Driving this beast is shockingly easy. With 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and self-parking technology, even a first-timer could handle it with confidence. The cockpit feels like it belongs in a luxury SUV rather than a motorhome. Digital displays, ergonomic controls, and voice-activated systems make the driving experience futuristic and stress-free. Storage is abundant, with multiple exterior compartments, a slide-out garage for e-bikes or scooters, and even a hidden safe inside for valuables. Every inch has been used wisely. This 2026 luxury motorhome isn't just transportation, it's an experience, blending freedom with refinement. It's for the traveler who wants to explore without giving up the comforts of home, and then some. Starting at just over $200,000, it's not cheap. But if luxury, convenience, and cutting-edge tech are on your wish list, this could be your dream machine on wheels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Drop your thoughts below. Would you take this on a cross-country adventure? Until next time, travel smart and stay curious.